All right, we're back. This is part 2 of 13802 North 64th Place in Scottsdale, Arizona 85254. 4-bedroom, 3-bath with a flex space, 2858 on the square footage, built in 1971, renovated a few times since. The acreage is just over 25,000 square foot, and they're asking 1.15. No HOA. I'll get down to this in just a moment. That goes to the bedrooms. This leads to the enclosed Arizona room, I guess you could call it that if you like. Little dinette. And then the kitchen's back off here. A lot of natural light in the house. So the kitchen, although accessible to the living room, it's a little bit closed off as well. That was the automatic ice maker you just heard there. So we've got disposal dishwasher, gas range, pot filler, and microwave. Back here we've got the utility room. Here's a little extra flex space here. This leads us out to the backyard patio area, obviously, and to the pool, barbecue center, and this goes out to the garage there. I'll go out in a couple minutes in part 3 just to show you the backyard tour. I'll keep that secluded. But while we're in here, I wanted to show you that they had plans already drawn up for an independent casita that basically is off in that corner of the lot that I'll get to in the next part. But just so you can tell what it's going to be, this is the layout. So you've got the driveway pulls up right through the gate. You got the garage, main part of the house, the kitchen, master, well, it's only 1 bedroom, so it's master bedroom. Two-bath. Well, I suppose this could be a bedroom as well. That's the main bedroom though, obviously. With a porch area and some shrubbery to go next to the pool. So really nice design. The plans have been approved, but they never put them into place. So nothing's been built, obviously, or otherwise I'd show you. But just wanted to make you aware of that it's a great opportunity to have a rentable independent AUD, or ADU, sorry. Beautiful counters. And we'll go through into this, I like to call it the Arizona room, I suppose. And then we'll break. I'll get into the bedrooms, and then we'll get to the outside in the backyard. So I've got an extra bar area set up. Pooch door. Three different exits to the outside. A lot of room outside. So let me just pause here, and then we'll do a quick part 3 into the guest bedrooms and the primary suite, and then I'll do part 4 for the exterior backyard. We also have a wine fridge, yay.